and the award for the 2023 our best-selling £300 plus binoculars goes to the Viking Peregrine ED 8x42. Now first of all, I wonder how many of you thought I was going to say something beginning with H, but in previous years yes, but in 2023 these were incredibly popular, more so at our optics weekend. And I think the reason for that is a lot of people don't realise how good these are in this price range until they pick them up, and so maybe they don't sell as well online, but it's when people come and try them they go for these, as opposed to other sets maybe costing £100 more. And so why is that? Well, you find straight away with the Peregrine range, in particular the 42mm models, these are just over 600 grams, and after trying these, everything else seems heavy. And it's not so much that the other binoculars weighing 700 grams or so are heavy, it's just after trying these, everything else seems heavy in comparison. And so what other reasons draws people to this set of binoculars? Well, the image quality, and in particular the image quality towards the edge of the field of view. Even though these are not classed as flat field binoculars, the edge of field sharpness is absolutely incredible with these, and people are not put off by the fact that these are not a wide angle binocular. There are others out there that give a considerably wider field of view, but maybe at the expense of edge of field sharpness. So could that be a type of false economy? I don't know. And lastly, the third reason, most popular reason that people go for this set is the price. They look through these and then they look through others at maybe £369, over £400, and I will often hear the words, but these are sharper, and they will go for them. They're not put off at all by that slightly narrower field of view compared to some. It's just that image sharpness, the lightweight, and the price. And those are the three most popular reasons from our customers. This isn't a full review or my own opinions. This is just what the customers tell me. I'll do a full review at the end of this video, which is coming up very shortly. So I hope this helps. This is the Viking Peregrine 8x42 ED binoculars, our best-selling £300 plus set in 2023. Link to buy in the description. I hope this helps, and I shall see you next time.